Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought of reviewing the Maybelline Matte and Polish Fit Me foundation. This is how the bottle looks like. A lot of people keep asking me about this foundation and also about the shade that I use. So I thought of making an in-depth review of this foundation so all your questions can be answered. So yeah, if you're interested to know about this foundation, then please keep on watching. So as I already mentioned, this foundation is from Maybelline and it is the Matte and Polish Fit Me foundation. It contains 30 ml of product and it costs for rupees 500. I got mine a year back, but recently they have hiked up their prices and now it costs for rupees 549. But of course in the sale time we'll get it under rupees 500. So talking about the shade range, this foundation comes in 18 different shades, which I think is nice, but I'd like to see more deeper shades in this range. And they have made this foundation in a tube form recently, and the tube packaging has 6 shades. So if you can find your shade in the tube packaging, I think you can go for that because the tube one costs rupees 299. So depending upon your price point and the shade you want to buy, you can pick and choose between this one and the tube packaging one. The shade that I use is 332 Golden Caramel. It has a very nice golden undertone and I'm wearing it today so you guys can see how it looks on my skin tone. I have not dragged this foundation down to my neck, so you can see my neck is slightly lighter than my face. In the summertime this matches me very nicely, but in the winters and also now that we are only staying indoors, I have lost all my tan and I have become a little lighter, so this is a little dark for me. But I think from NC42 to NC44, those people can of course make this work. Let's talk about the packaging of this foundation. As you guys can see, it comes in a glass bottle, so it's not the most travel friendly foundation. The cap is made up of plastic and this is how you need to open it. I have the old packaging so it doesn't have a pump, but the newer packaging has a pump and I'm really happy about it because the pump minimizes the wastage of the product. The consistency of this foundation is runny/liquidy. Now moving on to the application part, I have divided my face into 2 halves. On the left side of my face, I am using the Blue Heaven sponge to blend my foundation, and the sponge gives a very nice natural finish. And on the right side of my face, I am using the PAC foundation brush, and with the brush it just gives a little more coverage than the sponge side. And also I have used this foundation with fingers, and with fingers it blends very nicely. So if you do not have any tool to blend this foundation, I think your fingers will also work. And I have used no primers in the demo part because I know a lot of people don't believe in primers. This foundation will provide you medium to mid-level coverage. If you have acne or acne scars on your face, then don't expect this foundation to cover them up. And I will not recommend layering this foundation because it looks a little cakey, and also this foundation doesn't transfer. I have dry skin, and on my skin type this foundation lasts for a good 7 to 8 hours, but if you have oily skin, I think within 3 to 4 hours your face will get oily. Every other product of makeup blends very nicely on top of this foundation. This foundation has a semi-matte formula, so it's neither too matte nor dewy, and it also oxidizes a little bit. This foundation doesn't give flashbacks, so I think this is good for both daytime and nighttime, and it also doesn't break me out. The price of this foundation is very affordable. It looks really natural on the skin and is very good for everyday use, so I'll definitely recommend this foundation to you guys. So that's all about this foundation. I hope I have answered all your questions, but if you still have questions left in your mind, then please feel free to ask them in the comment section down below and I shall try to reply you back. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button near the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. You can share this video with your friends and comment down below what other videos do you guys want me to make. And I'm gonna see you all with my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.